Want to turn your boring iPad spreadsheets into captivating visual stories? Let's create a line graph in Google Sheets, right here on your iPad. First, open the Google Sheets app on your iPad. If you don't already have it, you can download it for free from the App Store once open. Either select the spreadsheet you want to work with, or create a new one. Now, you'll need some data. I've already got some here with months in column A and sales figures in column B. Enter your data into the spreadsheet, making sure each data series is in its own column. The first row can be your titles. Next, highlight the data you want to include in your graph. Tap and drag across the cells, including the column headers, if you want them to appear as labels on your graph. With your data selected, look for the icon in the top menu bar. This is your Insert button. Tap it. A menu will pop up. Choose Chart from the options. Google Sheets will automatically suggest a chart type, which might already be a line graph. If not, tap Chart Type at the bottom. A menu will appear with different options. Scroll through until you see Line, and select it. Ta-da! Your line graph is now created. Now for the fun part, customization. Tap on any element of the chart, like the title, axes, or data series. To edit it, you can change titles, label axes, adjust colors, and more, right from your iPad. Tap the three dots at the top of the chart for even more options. You can also move and resize your graph by simply tapping and dragging it around the sheet. Use the corner handles to adjust its size. And that's it. You've successfully created a line graph in Google Sheets on your iPad. This is a great way to visualize trends, track progress, and make your data more engaging. Now go explore the power of data visualization.